Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this 30-foot security camera cable for Arlo for free, so I could check it out, open it up, and let you know what I think about it. So just a quick unboxing and see the pieces that it comes with. So separate, here's your power adapter. So you plug your USB cable in there, two-prong, and you can see here that it does come with like some cable ties, so you can organize your cable, so run them along your trim or wherever you need to keep it looking nice and neat. And then here's the 30-foot cable itself. You can see that's quite a big coil there. And then again, this is for Arlo, so you can see that that has the Arlo type charger system set up there. So if you need a nice long cable for your Arlo camera, this is definitely one that you would consider. Let me just kind of just show you the length on here instead of having it coiled up. There you go. There you go. So I mean, yeah, 30 feet. You can run this a really long way. Just keeps going. Okay, I'm gonna stop pulling. Oh, there we go. I got it. I thought I was tying it in a knot. So came on coiled, really nice, huge cable. So definitely, if you need a long cable for Arlo, good one to check out.